Morning, Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and my dear fellow mates. Today's morning assembly will be conducted by class 3C. So as you all can see, we have with us Chef Manjeev Kapoor. Who will show us the ingredients of good friendship.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Manjeev Kapoor. I will show you all a new recipe, a dish named Good Friendship. Let us begin. First we will turn on the gas stove and then we will take a pan. And at the last we will add a few drops of trustworthiness. And then let it get warm. Now we will add 1 tablespoonful of loyalty, 1 tablespoonful of honesty, and at the last 1 tablespoonful of kindness, and then stir it. Now let us add cut slices of empathy, julienne of supportiveness, and cubes of respect, and then stir it again. After this, we will add a few drops of humor and a few drops of good listening. Our dish is almost ready. Now let us do the plating. First we will put the dish on the plate. While plating, let's not forget to garnish the dish with a dash of forgiveness. Our dish is ready. Please come and taste it.
That dish is awesome. Now let us see the ingredients in detail.
Trustworthiness. Friends keep our secrets and are reliable.
Honesty. Friends stand by us during both good and challenging times.
Truthfulness. Friends speak the truth even in difficult times.
Kindness. Friends show care for our feelings. Empathy. Friends understand and share our emotions.
Supportiveness. Friends encourage us to pursue our goals and cheer for us too. Respect. Friends value our opinions, families and individuals.
Attentiveness. Friends listen to us without judgment and offer thoughtful advice. Forgiveness. Friends do not hold grudges and they are always willing to work through misunderstanding. Humor. Friends can make us laugh and they enjoy spending time with us. So, we see that the best way to have a good